1234 Media Bio.
So we'll learn about endoscopy, and I think you should watch Introduction to Medical Imaging video first, before going ahead with this. Endoscopy is a medical imaging technique, which clicks photos or shows live videos of the upper digestive tract. Endoscopy is used to diagnose, and sometimes treat conditions that affect the esophagus, stomach, and beginning of the small intestine, which is also known as duodenum. Endoscopy is done for the upper digestive system, which consists of esophagus, stomach, and duodenum collectively. That's why it is also known as upper endoscopy. The technical word for upper endoscopy is esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Okay, let me read the word slowly. Esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Again. Esophagogastroduodenoscopy. Antonin Jean Desormeaux, 1815–1894. He was a French physician, who successfully performed an endoscopy in 1853. So why endoscopy is done? To investigate the causes of nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, difficulty in swallowing, and gastrointestinal bleeding. To check surgical procedure or the result of surgery, in upper digestive system. To check and treat stomach ulcer, pancreatitis, gallstones, blockage of the esophagus, etc. And to check for tumor and cancer. How endoscopy is done? You need to stop eating and drinking 5 to 8 hours before endoscopy, to get a clear image. You might also need to stop taking any medications prior to the test, if you take any. The doctor will insert a tube, hooked up with a camera, through the mouth to reach the stomach. The other end of the tube will be attached to a computer or a display screen. And let me tell you, this tube is known as an endoscopy tube. This is the entire process of endoscopy. That's your mouth, that's of course the computer, and that's the endoscopy tube, and see how the tube is inserted from the mouth, traveling through the esophagus, till it reaches the upper small intestine. Gentle air pressure may be fed into your esophagus, to inflate the digestive tract. This allows the endoscopy tube, to move freely, and allows the doctor to easily examine the folds of the digestive tract. You may feel pressure or fullness from the added air. For old people, some sedative might be given. So that's an endoscopy tube. That's the end that goes in the mouth, that end is connected to the computer, and that's the controlling handle. See the picture carefully. An endoscopy tube is generally 200 centimeters long, and 8 mm thick. See, that's a picture clicked by the endoscopy tube, once it entered the esophagus. The entire endoscopy test might need 15 to 30 minutes. So what are the side effects of endoscopy? Sore throat, esophagus pain, and gas in the stomach, but all these side effects are negligible, and so endoscopy is completely safe. Endoscopy is safe for pregnant women too. So thanks a million for watching the video, and you can comment down below your feedbacks. Introduction to Medical Imaging is at the top of the playlist, which is strongly recommended for watching, and all the medical imaging techniques are available in this playlist. Please do watch them too. Finally, please subscribe to the channel 1234 Media Bio, to gain more knowledge.